Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11 or 10. Now, first thing we need to do is head over to our settings, and we can get this by selecting the start menu here on the taskbar and coming up to the settings. If you can't find them here, in the pinned comment section here, you can search for them here at the very top. Or you can right click on the start menu and come up to settings. Once you're in the settings, however you got there, you can come to accessibility here on the left hand side. Now it may be called something slightly different on Windows 10. I think when I remember using Windows 10 it was ease of access. So you should be able to find it if you're in Windows 10. We'll select accessibility. Now this page should be the same whether you're on Windows 10 or 11. Scroll down. So we find keyboard here and select that. Then in the second section here you should see on-screen keyboard. You want to turn that on. And as you can see, we bring up the on-screen keyboard. You can X that away at any point, and we can use this Windows key, Control and O to bring it straight back up. Like that. So you can either come to the settings to bring it up or use the keyboard shortcut. Now if we bring a search box up, for instance, now we can search for anything we want. So that's how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11 or 10 PC. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.